Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is Monday, February 22nd, and these are your bell ringer problems. Problem number 1, we need to look at 287 times 24. So we have a double digit times triple digit problem. We're going to start with the 4 here. 4 times 7 is 28. Put your 8 down, carry your 2. 4 times 8 is 32, plus 2 is 34. 4 times 2 is 8, 9, 10, 11. Cross out my 4 and everything that I've carried. I'm going to put a 0 down for a place filler. 2 times 7 is 14. Put your 4 down, carry your 1. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Last step, we're going to add it all up. 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. And then 5 plus 1 is 6. So you end up with 6,848. Alright. In problem number 2, they want to know which digit is in the 10,000s place in that number. So we've got 471,235, and we're looking for the digit in the 10,000s place. Well, my comma tells me that I'm going to move on to the thousands. One more over is the 10,000s place. So the 7 is in the 10,000s place, and that really stands for 70,000. Okay, in problem number 3, they're asking us how many feet there are in 1 yard. And there are 3 feet in 1 yard. The last bell ringer problem that we have is 19,635 plus 37,544. Just go ahead and add them up by their place. 5 plus 4 is 9. 3 plus 4 is 7. 6 plus 5 is 11. Put your 1 down, carry 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 7 is 17, 3, 4, 5. So we end up with 57,179. Alright, on to our word problems. So Monday, we have 2 word problems this week for each day. So Monday number 1, the bookstore is having a sale on bookmarks. Each small bookmark cost 84 cents. There are 23 students in Miss Parker's class. If each student buys 1, how much will they spend on bookmarks? And that should say will they, not will the. Will they spend on bookmarks? So we know that this is a pretty simple problem. We're just going to look at 23 students times 84 cents because each one is buying a bookmark. So we have 23 groups of 84. We solve this as if it were just 84 times 23, and we'll put our decimals in the end. So 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 1 is 25. Put down a 0. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. Add it up. I get 2, 13, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1. And then I have 2 decimal places, so I'm going to put my decimal at the end and move it over 2 places. And so I actually end up with $19.32 for all of our students. $19.32. All right. Problem number 2 says Creston t-shirts cost $15.75 and socks cost $9.50. A group of 5 students wants to put their money together to buy a t-shirt and a pair of socks each. How much will they spend? How much does each student need to split the money equally? Alright, so first we need to figure out what it would be if they put together their t-shirt and their socks. So I'm going to add $15.75 plus $9.50. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 5, 6 plus 9 is 13. Oh, excuse me. 6 plus 9 is 15. Put my 1 down. Put my 5 down, carry my 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So I end up there with $25.25. $25.25. That's how much it would cost if you bought a t-shirt and a pair of socks. But I want to figure out what that would cost if 5 students bought that. So I'm going to do 25 times 5. And 5 times 5 equals 25. Put your 5 down, carry your 2. 5 times 2 is 10, 11, 12, 25, 26, 10, 11, 12, So we would have $126.25 for all of the students to buy. And just to check your work, you could do 126.25 divided by 25 and see if you end up with $25.25 per student. But you should actually get that same answer. All right, so our hashtag for today is 1 week. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we have 1 week until we start taking the I-STEP test, so it is crunch time. Have a good day.